हेलो फ्रेंड, मैं हूं अभिजीत और आप देख रहे हैं SGP डिस्कवर। दोस्तों, ये सैमसंग J7 मैक्स मॉडल का फ़ोन है जिस फ़ोन को मैं पूरी तरह से डिसअसेंबली कर चुका हूं। तो आज आप लोगों को दिखाना है कि सैमसंग J7 मैक्स को कैसे हम स्टेप बाय स्टेप असेंबली कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि सिर्फ सैमसंग का नहीं, कोई भी फ़ोन को कैसे स्टेप बाय स्टेप असेंबली हम कर सकते हैं, वही दिखाना है। तो चलिए दोस्तों, शुरू करते हैं।
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. Inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something